Rome, from a small cluster of huts atop 7 hills to become the ruler of the known world. Legend holds Romulus founded Rome in 753 BCE. In 509 BCE, Romans oust their king and build a republic. Through law, diplomacy, and war, including the Punic Wars with Carthage, Rome turns the Mediterranean into its domain. Ambition and inequality fracture the republic. In 49 BCE, Julius Caesar crosses the Rubicon. Civil war follows. After his death in 44 BCE, Octavian becomes Augustus, the first emperor in 27 BCE, and the Roman Empire begins. From Augustus to Marcus Aurelius, Rome enjoys the Pax Romana, 2 centuries of relative peace, trade, and monumental building. By 117 CE under Trajan, the empire reaches its greatest size. Problems creep in: overextension, heavy taxes, political violence, and a shaky succession system. The 3rd century erupts in crisis, military coups, economic collapse, and plague. Diocletian's reforms from 284 CE stabilize rule and introduce new administration, but instability remains. In the 4th century, Constantine legalizes Christianity and founds Constantinople in 330 CE. After Theodosius in 395 CE, the empire is permanently split into East and West. Outside pressures mount. Goths, Huns, and Vandals push into Roman lands. Rome is sacked in 410 and again in 455. In 476 CE, the last Western emperor, Romulus Augustulus, is deposed, the symbolic end of the Western Roman Empire. But Rome's legacy endures. Law, language, roads, engineering, and institutions survive in the Eastern Roman state and shape medieval and modern Europe. The empire fell, yet its foundations built the world we know.